Okay, so you just want the shortcut, the quick fix, the just tell me how to manifest already kind of method, right? You don't want to ask my guided pause questions. You don't want to look. You just want results. And I hear you. But I have a question for you. If you had something covering your eyes, right? Would you rather someone describe the scenery to you or just take off the damn blindfold? Because that's exactly what these questions, my guided pause questions, do. They do not add complexity, they remove the extra. Remove the blindfold, remove the noise, remove the mental gymnastics you don't even realize that you're doing. And once they do, you won't need me. You won't need anyone to tell you how to manifest. You'll just see for yourself. So, why ask these questions? Why keep asking them? Well, because your mind is sneaky. It pretends to get it. This is the case for most people. Our minds nods along, they nod along and say, yeah, I'm awareness. Everything is now cool. I'm the great awareness. I am all. Everything is me. And then it still asks, okay, but how do I get my SP, specific person? See the trick? It acts like it understands, but it's still playing by the same old rules, still assuming lack, still assuming there's something missing, still assuming it needs to do something to get what it already is. That's why you ask these questions. Not because you need new information, but because you need to see through the old conditioning. And we're all in this together. You need to see where you're still buying into the lie that something is missing. And you don't do that by forcing yourself to feel it real, by affirming, by just choosing. You do that by questioning every story that tells you you're not already there yet. So I know you like examples, so here's one. I had a client tell me, I know I'm awareness, but how do I use that to get my money or my dream house? And I asked them, well, where's this eye that needs to use something? And they just blinked. And they paused because they were willing to explore. And we went through the somatic inquiry. And then boom, like it clicked for them. They had been operating from the illusion that there was still an I that needed to do something to get somewhere. That was the only thing keeping the illusion of lack in place. And the moment they saw it, well, they stopped needing the process. And hey, you might need or want different kind of guided questions. Not just that, there's so many kinds. And this client realized that there was never anyone separate from the thing they wanted. They were not separate from it. And within a few days, money started coming from different avenues, not because they did the steps, but because they stopped playing the game of separation. They stopped looking for something to do and just saw through the illusion that they were not already it. This is not a magic pill. So think of it like this. Imagine you're watching a movie, right? And maybe you've heard this analogy before, who knows? And suddenly you forgot it's a movie. You get lost in it. You react to every twist, every problem, every scene. And then someone sitting next to you whispers in your ear, hey, this isn't real. Look at the screen. You're just watching an image on the screen. That's what these questions do. They snap you out of the trance. They remind you and me that we are not in the story, that you are the awareness, watching the whole thing unfold. You are that I am. And once you truly see that, well, you don't need to do anything. The illusion crumbles on its own. So the questions are not complicating things, they are the only thing making it simple. Because once you stop believing the illusion by seeing through it, you stop trying to fix it. You stop trying to manifest what's already here. You begin to stop searching for answers naturally. And you finally realize, oh, wow, you were never lost in the first place. I was never lost. And hey, if you want a quick fix, if you still want a quick fix, there are so many channels out there offering just that. 10-minute methods for affirmations, things like, oh, just decide, just choose, just decide, have a clean mental diet, don't react. Okay, you can do all of that. They have their place. Do your scripting, do your affirmations. But if you're not interested in that and you're tired of doing that, or you want to balance that and you want to balance it with something more chill, allow your fix yourself to relax with my unwind course in the description below, or you can choose my one-on-one sessions to feel it deep in your bones, or watch any of my videos. There are so many videos to help support you. And if you want more support, you can reach out to me or by hello@anilareddy.com, or see the links in the description below. Or just share your thoughts in the comments below and I'll be there. Like, I love hearing from you, even your insights. Nothing is too little, too big. You are welcome, just as you are. So I'll see you there.